to take his eyes off me. Adam! Sweetie, look. Adam? My best friend, just before our wedding.
Can you blame me? Come on, you never let me touch you.
We agreed to wait until we got married.
Flora, be real, all right? It's over. You're nothing but a frigid virgin to me. Even the idea of sleeping with you turns me off.
You asshole. We're done.
Don't worry about it. Adam is my son. I'll be there for his wedding, and I'll meet his bride soon enough.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry I didn't see you coming.
If I didn't hit the brakes on time, you'd be dead.
Please stop yelling at me. I know I messed up, and I already apologized, but my fiance just cheated on me with my best friend, and I'm already having the worst day of my life, so can you please just give me a break? Okay, please. A strip club? Seriously?
It's not what you think. It's more than that.
Really?
It's paradise. It's a place where your desires can run wild, with no one to judge. But if you're not ready or too scared, I can still take you home.
Who said I'm scared?
Thanks, Mike. You guys got the inventory done? Looks all good. Hey, nice job. Take this to accounting for me, will you?
You own this club?
Go wait for me in my office. And don't wander around.
Oh my God.
You're new here? What's your name, sweetie?
Back off, Derek. She's with me.
Easy, Marco. You're getting overly protective. Never sharing the good stuff.
She's not to be shared. Besides, who gave you permission to party in my private room?
Oh, it was the, what's his name?
Never mind. Get out. Cindy, you too. Let's go. you. Didn't I tell you not to wander off?
That woman was being tortured.
Derek is horny enough to fuck anything above 18, but he won't actually hurt anyone.
She was in pain. She was screaming.
Trust me, sweetheart. This is all about pleasure. And she consented to it.
How could she enjoy getting whipped?
You won't know if you don't try it.
Okay, I should probably leave.
Yes, you can leave. Go and cry about your idiot ex-fiancé. Or you can stay here and let a real man take care of you.
You're nothing but a frigid virgin to me.
Come in.